Hello guys, welcome to Code Enzyme, and in this video we are going to discuss the problem 150 of Leetcode, and its name is the jump game. So we are given an array of numbers, and let's see this from an example. From example 1, so we have an array of numbers 2, 3, 1, 1 and 4. So from this position, the first position, that is node 2, we can go to node 3, and we can also go to node 1, because from the first position we can jump to further, right? And from node 3 we can go to 3 more positions, so 1 or the next one, and or directly to 4. And from this one we can only go to the next one, and from this next one we can also go to position 4. And from this one also we can go to next one and to position 4, and from this one also we can go to position 4. So there are several ways to reach the last position, and I have listed all of them for you. So we can either follow this route or this route. However, we can see that for this array we are able to reach 4 in every condition, whichever route we follow. Okay, so hence the output of this example 1 is true. Now let's see the next example, that is 3 2, and this was example number 1, and let's see example 2, that is 3 2 1 0 4. So okay, let me add some lines here. So we have example number 2, and it is 3 2 1 0 and 4. Okay, so we are on node number 3, and we can go 3 steps further, right? So 1 2 3, so we can either go to node 2, or we can directly go to node 1, or we can directly go to node 0. From node 0 we cannot go any further, so if we directly go to node 0 we are not able to reach till node 4. From node 2 we can either go to node 1, or we can either go to node 0. From node 1 we can only go to node 0. From this node 1 we can go to node 0, and from these we can't reach 4. Okay, so we can see in both these examples a graph like structure is formed, and we can try to solve this problem using DFS. This is the first naive approach that comes to my mind, but if we use that, it will give a complexity of big O of n square, and this is going to give you a TLE. Okay, so this problem is to be solved by a greedy approach, and let's see the approach now. So let's see the two examples again, and I will show you how we are going to solve this. So first we have, so let a pointer here, I am going to call this I, and let one more pointer here, I am going to call this J. Okay, so I can say that if I am able to reach this node using this node, if I am able to reach from J to I, okay, then I am going to try to reach J from other nodes. So I am going to shift these pointers 2 3 1 1 4. I am going to shift this pointer like okay, now I know I can reach 4 from 1, right? So I am going to try to reach 1. Now this will become my I, and now I am going and I will reduce my J. Okay, so this is the basic idea, and we are going to keep doing this. So this will become my I, and this will become my J. Okay, now suppose if there was and we will keep doing this. If I can reach there, I will change J equal to I equal to J, and J minus equal to 1. Okay, now suppose if there is a case, for example, if there was a 0 here, let's say if there was a 0 here, okay, now I can, and this is my I and this is my J. Now I can't reach 1, now I can't reach 1 from J, right? So what I am going to do is I am going to only decrease my j, and now I see that I can reach my j from here, right? So I am going to repeat that same process again, and this 3 will become my I, and this 2 will become my j. Now I can reach I to j. I am going to do it again. So now j will point to here, -1, and now I will point here. Okay, so basically what I am doing is okay, let me write a pseudocode here. So while currently if the total length of array is n, I am saying I is equal to n minus 1 and j is equal to n minus 2, while j is greater than or equal to while j is greater than -1, what I can say is if j plus the name of the array was nums, right? So nums j is greater than or equal to I, then I am going to say I is equal to j and j minus equal to 1. Okay, and else case we will simply subtract j by 1. And if this condition is true, in the end I will check if my I is greater than or equal to 0. So if my I is if I is less than or equal to 0, I am going to return true, else I am going to return false. So this is the pseudocode for this problem. So I hope I was able to explain it properly. So I will see you guys next time with another problem. Thank you.